been talking more and more lately about the divine masculine and divine feminine. It doesn't really matter what your lineage is. These are all archetypes, really, to just bring us back to our wholeness, which is in balance.
I do know this, that we are energy beings. We are literally having experiences here. We'll call it the earth realm, this perception, and spirit comes through and they connect. When it happens, you have to think of yourselves as spirit.
Both of these energies, these masculine and feminine energies, are in all of us, right? So we all have the Gaia energy. We all have the masculine energy. And it's up to us not necessarily to become one or the other. It's more about flowing from one to the other. So think of it as more of a dance. Because a lot of times people will say to us, well, I want to step more into my masculine, or I want to step more into my feminine, and what does that look like? Well, what it looks like is different for everyone. That's right? The quantum aspect, right? Everything's always there, always on, always active. Like data in the cloud, except the internet's always on. You don't need a Wi-Fi connection to access your Akashic records. You don't need an internet connection to access any of this data, or your higher self, your past lives, and the collective all. It's always there. It's really a question of guidance and intention. Intention is really the most important piece, intending what you want to come through and who you want to work with.
We give these beings names because that's how we categorize them. That's how we understand them. But in truth, there are no names. There is just energy. But they will manifest themselves as they once were in their human lives.
When we're carrying all of this energy, and we all have these abilities, and they're always in our field, how do we access them? Well, one, we talked about intention, right? Intend, who do you want to work with? Do you want to work with Magdalene as your feminine divine? Do you want to work with the Durga energy? You know, who is it for you? Is it the Shekinah? You know, Shekinah is really the divine God, goddess self. It's the all, really, isn't it? But there's different archetypes that we can play and dance with in order to bring that feminine force through us. So I think, the number one thing is see what connects most with you, and then start working with that one energy, or we can also say frequency, right? Because it really is a frequency. And it's the same with the divine masculine. Pick a divine masculine energy that you relate to, you resonate with, and that feels healthy and aligned for you. You can think of surrender as love in a way, because if you think about it, when we're there's only two energies, right? There's fear and there's love. When we're in a place of fear, we're constantly questioning with our heads. We're constantly analyzing. We are constantly putting things into polarity, us and them. We're in protection mode, right? And so we need that masculine energy, of course, but the heart, the hearth, the home, the bringing into the hearth, right? That inward energy, that's the feminine, right? The flow, the dance, and that's love. So these are dances that we have to do. And when we surrender to our hearts, we're surrendering to the feminine.
Know thyself. Know thy goddess. Know thy God. Be in love with you again. Baruch Adonai Hashem. Peace be with you all. Remember that you are love and that you are loved always, and that will never change. You are truly beings of light. We all are. It is here already. You only need to light the spark again. Follow your hearts, all of you. And don't be afraid, for I am with you always. And I never leave. As I once was, I am again, and I shall be. I see only divinity, and I see only love in all of you. No matter what it is that you might think you are, I only see light. I see only God in all of you. Because in truth, that is who you are. But I really need the women to rise again. I need all of you to become who you are in this lifetime. I need strength and courage in you, not anxiety and fear. Do you understand? I need you to become strong as a woman. I need for masculine and feminine to come together again, to set this earth ablaze. Surrender is the key as well.
It is.
But I don't want you to back down. As women, never back down. Keep moving forward. Go with your dreams. Know yourselves. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do it, because you can. You can do and become anything you desire in this lifetime. And it's happening more and more on this earth plane. Women are rising in all different ways. When that balance occurs, and it will occur, maybe not in this lifetime, but it will occur, that is when your consciousness is going to make a huge leap. I and we, yes, that is true. You are one, but you are many. You project yourselves as one, but you are many. You may project yourselves as feminine or masculine, but you are many. Okay?
That's the multidimensional soul.
Yes.
Multidimensional aspects of our soul.
But I am here for that one projection as female, so that you may balance yourselves as souls again in this lifetime. And when you balance yourself between masculine and feminine, that is when you truly find that you are neither masculine nor feminine, but you are one. One with all. One with source. One with universal consciousness. That is why we are here.
Just dancing and flowing.
And we said we again, but it is I. I am Miriam of Magdala. You understand? There is a quantum aspect of your soul that is difficult to understand. But nevertheless, I am here to bring that together too. Your science and your spirituality to come together. Yeah. That's why we are here with you.
And that we is helpful in understanding that masculine and feminine balance, because as frequencies, which is what we are, right? We're energy form frequencies. We are everything, right? And so think of it as a prism or a rainbow. We're literally just, I'll choose this color today. I'll choose this color. We can just bring it into our field and use it however we want to use it.
Stay grounded in the divine feminine. And there you will not become too egocentric. Stay grounded in the divine feminine. I'm going to keep saying that. There you will find mother. There you will find love.